Hey guys, so I'm driving right now and I'm currently heading to Walmart to grab some equipment to do what I'm gonna be doing today. But today I'm gonna be installing the brake calipers. I already ordered a convergent brake line for my 240. Right now I'm heading to Walmart to grab silicone hose, and I think I have enough brake fluid, but I'm gonna buy brake fluid just in case. I've gotten a slot rotor with it, so I'm also gonna be installing that as well, and maybe explaining to you guys the whole process of installing a 300ZX brakes on the 240SX. But yeah, with that being said, let's get right in. Alright, so I went to O'Reilly's and I found this. Alright, so this is it's supposed to be a fuel line, but I purchased this to bleed the brakes. And then I have a Dasani bottle to put the fluid in, and then these are the brake lines I bought. So yeah, we're just gonna get right in and installing my new brakes. So first, take off the wheel. So you guys are probably wondering why I have my car on a gas stand and my video will look like this. You'll find out in the next video. I'm trying to do something to it, and I ran into some problem that I'm not going to talk about it in this video, but yeah, hopefully I can explain to you guys what happened. Alright, so I have two calipers here. So I know that it looks exactly the same, but if you look at the back, it's quite different. Everything is like, mirrored basically. So just figuring out which way is what is kind of an important thing. So to tell the difference or which way the brake should go on, the bleeder should be facing the top direction. So because the brake will go on like this, this is gonna be for the the right side. And for this one, has a bleeder on the top if I face it like this, so which means that I will use this as a left side, driver's side. So yeah, alright. So to get right in with this, I already took off the original brakes. Basically, just take this whole thing out. Take the original. Alright, I'm back. After I thought about it, I decided to just rent it. The axle nut socket of 30mm. Take this off, and I will think about what to do after. I eventually want to get this shield back, so either I get a 300ZX one, or or I have to cut it, but I don't have any tool for that. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it off, and I will, I guess, think about it, what to do after. So yeah, I'm gonna take this off. Alright, I just detached this. As you can see, it looks awful condition, so I'm gonna try to clean up around it, if that makes sense, to, you know. Alright, so I just installed the rotor. I'm going to install the brakes to open up the lines. I forgot what brand this was, but I will link it down below. Yeah, so it's kind of like this. I don't think there's right and left. It looks the same, so yeah. So how this is gonna go is that you're going to put this side into a caliper and connect this side to a chassis mount of the brake line. I don't know if you can see it. Let me move the camera. So yeah, if you guys can see, that's the chassis mount of brake lines, and then you just want to screw it out, and then yeah, put the new one in. So that's super easy process. When you're doing that, the brake line fluid, brake fluid would just keep pouring it out. So get ready to have a pan on the bottom or something, because otherwise all the brake fluid is gonna drain out. So yeah, let's go right in. Now that it's installed, I'm going to be leading the brakes. I already did the other side, so I'm going to finish this side, and that's it. So this is the final look. You know, I think it looks so nice, but I have to wait till my wheels are on to get like a full look. But yeah, so I thought that took a long time than I anticipated, but I'm glad that it's on. I'm glad that it's over. And yeah, I can't wait to go on the road with it. But as you can see, I'm on a jack stand, and you guys will find out on the next video. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video if you guys liked it. Subscribe my channel, follow all my social media, and yeah, I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace out.